Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Pedestrian killed when hit by dump truck on Route 11 in Newport. Police say driver cooperating with investigation. A man from Claremont was killed Thursday when he was struck by a dump truck making a turn in Newport, police said. Robert Ray, 55, was walking on Route 11 or Sunapee Street around 3:30 p.m. when he was struck, police said. Investigators said a dump truck owned and operated by Yukon Trucking was making a left-hand turn at the corner of Route 11 and Bald Mountain Road when it struck Ray. Ray was pronounced deceased at the scene. Investigators said the driver is cooperating and speed was not a factor. It appears nothing more than an unfortunate tragic accident, and we'd encourage anyone who may have witnessed the incident to call here, said Newport police detective. This investigation is going to take some time to complete. Newport Police, New Hampshire State Police, and the New Hampshire Medical Examiner's Office were part of the investigation. The road was closed after the crash but reopened Thursday evening. This is the second deadly pedestrian accident in at least 2 weeks in Newport. On December 28, 2019, an 80-year-old man was killed while crossing North Main Street. Police warned pedestrians to always be careful when walking and encouraged them to wear bright-colored clothing, use crosswalks, and walk against traffic. Anyone who witnessed the accident is asked to contact Newport Police Lieutenant at the Newport Police Department at 603-863-3240. And that does it for my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.